So, I know I look crazy, but y'all remember when my last ponytail video, I was like, I should have did a high ponytail. Damn, now I wish I had done a ponytail. But it's okay, because I'll do a ponytail the next time. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I already put my strap on to the frontal. So I had already cut it, obviously, the last time to fit and frame my face. So I don't need to do that again. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite product ever, and that's gonna be my Ghost Bond glue. You guys, I'm literally almost out of this shit. Like, can't believe it's almost done. Like, for real. I'm just gonna place a little bit right here. Oh my gosh, you see? That's how you know when something is almost done, because it's just like squirting everywhere. We're gonna pretty much do the same thing like the last video. It's just gonna be up this time. I was curious to see how it looked in like an updo ponytail, so I'm like, I'm gonna try that. And it's Friday, so anytime y'all see me with a glass, it's usually a Friday. I record most of my videos on Fridays, and I find it easier that way because throughout the week I like to chill, do whatever. Throughout the week, no weave, no makeup, girl, just chilling, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna place you right there, because that's where I feel like I put you last time. And I have like conditioner in my comb, so it's not nothing nasty, just in case y'all was wondering. Okay, ain't nothing nasty in here. Okay, girl. Y'all already know, got to be spray on the front. Okay, because we gotta have that. Tie it down, and I'm gonna do the other parts off camera, and I'm just gonna come back when it's time for me to I guess actually put it up in the ponytail and, you know, the sewing part and all that. But yeah, pretty much have it on. I did cut the ends off because I feel like they're a little bit too long. I probably should have cut them off in the last ponytail video that I did, but to be honest with you, I didn't know what I was going to do with this hair after, so I had just left them on. But I cut them off because I want my ponytail to look really, really nice. So yeah, I'll be right back, okay? next one, fold it, fold it. So I got all 3 bundles in, so you can see my ponytail gonna be pretty full. I'm letting my frontal dry a little bit more, but I must say that, hold up, let me fix my lashes, cause girl, sometimes if my lash don't look right, that will like literally make me not want to post a video, like for real. I will say that doing an updo ponytail is a little bit harder than doing the low ponytail, depending on how you like it, because if you want your updo ponytail to be like super long, then you're gonna have to like do a braid that's long. You can control how long or short you want your updo ponytail to be. So I like mine's full. So let me take this off because my camera is about to die and we ain't doing that today. So I don't have no other scrunchies, so I'm going to use this. Okay, like I'm Caribbean, and if we can't find no scrunchie, we either take a piece of fabric and wrap it around or just something stretchy. That's wrapped around, I'm just gonna tie it, and I don't want to do it too tight because my item already drying back to the frontal on, and we're gonna tie this up. Now you could just leave it like this if you want to, but I'm not gonna actually do that. I'm gonna wrap a piece of hair around it. And the reason why I put my frontal in last is because if you want to take it out, you don't have to worry about taking out the whole ponytail. You know what I'm saying? I see some people put the frontal in first, and I actually don't like that. I prefer my frontal to be put over last, just in case I want to go in and change something. So I'm just gonna gel up the back with the front part at the top, I could like pull it if I want to, adjust it the way I want to, you know what I mean? And it makes it easier for me. So now we're going to just take a piece from the back. Grab another piece from back here. You see? Okay. It's nice and fun, you know. So that's it for this 90s inspired ponytail. You guys, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and also leave any suggestions that you may have on what you guys want to see me do next. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, you guys. I would really appreciate it. And also turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.